Today's topic is science fiction. What are the common characteristics of science fiction? Science fiction is often called the literature of ideas. This genre includes a wide variety of futuristic concepts. Since they're so imaginative, anything is possible, especially in soft sci-fi novels. A sci-fi novel can be about space, time travel, aliens, or time-traveling aliens in space. Whatever the setting and characters may be, all sci-fi stories are complex. It contains nuanced detail. When we say nuance, it is subtle. It is a quality of something that is not easy to notice but is important. Sci-fi explores larger themes in commentary, sometimes satirically about society beneath the surface. When we say satire, it is the humor as an excuse to expose or criticize a particular topic in the society beneath the surface. The classic elements of a science fiction novel include time travel, traveling through past, present, and future; teleportation, the power of traveling between two or more locations without physically occupying the space; mind control, it is the ability to control a person's cognitive or mind; telepathy and telekinesis. Telepathy is the direct transfer of thought to another person, or basically mental communication. On the other hand, telekinesis is a psychic ability that enables a person to control a thing without physical touch, so this defies gravity. Aliens, extraterrestrial life forms, and mutants. These are the unusual species that is a product of science. Aliens to us are strange looking, and when we say extraterrestrial life forms, it means outside of Earth, or beyond earthly. So this is not limited to the concept of aliens, as this is more deep. It can be objects in life forms. On the other hand, the mutant is an organism, or genetic character in biology that took alteration to their DNA sequence. Our DNA makes up our traits as humans, so modification of chromosomes results to a natural characteristic. A good example here is in Fullmetal Alchemist, where the kid got experimented so she became a half-dog breed. Space travel and exploration. The exploration and voyage in space, or the unknown. Interplanetary warfare, a battle between planets. From the word planetary, planets between planetary systems like solar system, and like intergalactic, which is galaxy. Parallel universes. This is known as alternate universes. In simpler explanation, we might coexist with another version of us in another dimension. There are certain similarities, but in some fundamental ways different. For example, you're a drug addict in Earth, but in another parallel version of you, you're a police officer. Fictional worlds. This is the self-constructed world, entirely different events and functions of things. The author is very free about the world that they wanted to create. Alternative histories. This is where one of more historical event occurred differently. So this is what could be pertained about butterfly effect. If Hitler didn't exist, the world today is completely different, with reasons of this huge influence in history towards the molding of today's world. So in alternative histories, it creates a different succeeding event or scenarios. Speculative technology, sometimes called what if. Speculative technology explored around the thought, what if this happened? Or what if the world were this way? In technology matters. And then it speculates the outcome. This changes the reality/truth or possibility in our society through technology. For example, a world that has industrial buildings in the sky or another world layer, then this results of society status chaos. Lastly, super intelligent computers and robots. This tackles about the power of computers, databases, and information stored, including robots. They're great tools in science fiction to make the story interesting because it is somehow close with reality. Japan are good with robots, and Siri is also an example of super intelligent product of computer. That is all about science fiction. Thank you for listening.